We've created the basic strut, we now need to shape it. To do this by starting with a sketch, which I'm going to rotate to remove the material. So I create my sketch, little dialog box comes up, sketch one. I want to actually work on the front datum plane. I select that in the graphics area, or perhaps more easily in the model tree. It's also selected the right datum plane as a reference. It does need two planes to work to be able to position things when it constructs them. So I'm going to move to the sketch view. I'm going to do one thing first. I'm going to create a center line, a vertical center line, which divides the strut, the basic strut, in two. I'm then going to do a 3-point arc. I want this to be on this top edge. Just zoom in slightly. If I hold down the alternate key, I can highlight that top edge, left click. When I release the alternate key, I've now created a reference, so I can left click for one end of my arc, left click for the other, and then click for the middle of the arc. And now need to put in some dimensions, so I get the dimensioning tool. From one end to the other end, if the arc wants to be 60, so I'm just center clicking to do that. That is automatically centered about the center line that I drew in. The other distance I want to be from this top edge to the arc, and I want the greatest distance there to actually be 4 millimeters. Put that in, and finally I need to put in a datum reference. I want to put in a datum line on the horizontal reference line at the center of the basic strut, and that will form the basis of the revolve. It will revolve around that axis when it makes the cut to create the shaping. Click OK to that. Control D, the 3D default 3D view. Click on the revolve tool. Now, because I've just got a single line, not a closed shape doing the actual the material removal, it's automatically assumed I want to revolve it as a surface. I want to actually revolve as a solid, so I click on that tool in the dashboard. I want to remove material, so I can click on that. This automatically created the strut. Happy with that? Click accept or apply, and that strut is now completed.